Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Lobos Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to find a Wi-Fi password to a connected Wi-Fi. You're going to first of all start by clicking the start menu, and then you head up to settings. So you click on settings, and then you're going to have to look for where you see network and internet. So in my case, this is network and internet. You're going to go ahead and then click on it. So guys, as you can see, this is the network I'm connected to, and the name is Lobos Home Wi-Fi. So you are going to have to move your cursor down to network and sharing center. Click on it, and then here you're going to see the network you're connected to. Go ahead and click the name under the internet. After that, you're going to see two tabs on the top. You're going to see network properties and details. Go ahead and click network properties. After that, you're going to have to click on security, and then you're going to have to click on show characters. So guys, this is where you're going to have to find your Wi-Fi password over there. You can copy it. When you're done, you can go ahead and close all tabs, and then you can reconnect it to another device. Okay guys, I hope this video was very helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Thank you.